Hey babes, welcome back to another video. So as promised, I am going to show you guys my apartment. This is going to be the official apartment tour. Now, it's not exactly like empty because I put a couple things in it. So it doesn't really matter, I'm just going to show you guys. So first we have the living room. And this is the high-rise ceiling. You guys see the ceiling fan. This is like one of my favorite parts of the house is the living room. I love the flooring in here. I'm gonna put my carpet and lay it down. I already bought my carpet, but I don't have my couch yet, so I don't wanna mess it up. It's all white. I do have my desk here. This is my work, my 9 to 5, my workstation. I have my chair that I put together. I did it all by myself. Yeah. I'm gonna put another one in my room, which you guys will see that area in a second, but I'm gonna get another one of these for my room. But this is the mirror area. This is, love this area too. Love all mirrors in here. The shelf area, which I'm gonna put together in a moment. Just give me a moment. As you guys see, I have the countertop right here. And then I have another shelf area up here. I'm not gonna be able to reach that, but we'll see if I do something up there. I don't know. It's a little too tall for me. And then we have the kitchen area. So one of the best parts that I like is the sink. The sink is really deep. It's a deep sink. Then we have our cabinets. So we no longer have wooden cabinets. I don't want to see another brown cabinet ever. I don't want to see it anymore. But we have our cabinets here. We have our stainless steel stove, and we have our microwave. This is the pantry. Not too much in there right now, but yeah. Oh yeah, we have our dishwasher, which I haven't been using yet. I have to stock up on dishes. And this is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. It's not in there yet, but I will be getting that next week. The balcony. So that's just the storage area right there. The gym is actually right there. Very, very close. This is the pool area. And then, you know, this area, I believe I'm gonna decorate. I've never thought about decorating like the balcony area, but I may just do it. But that's gonna be last. It's another light right here, and this is where I put like my coat, and my yoga mat, the vacuum, all that stuff in here. Bathroom. So this is the sink area here. Love this sink. It's like marble. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that stuff out. We will see. Compass, I brought that from my last apartment. Definitely kept that. And then this is the shower here. Nice, beautiful shower. So here is my beautiful bed. I wanted to get white, but they didn't have it in white, so you know, always nude. Now I bought this comforter set from, I believe, Marshall's. And I was under the impression that it was a queen, but it's getting full. We just don't let that go right now. We don't let her. I got a cover to sleep under, so I'm grateful for that. Then I have my desk area. This is a built-in desk area, which I really love. This is for my YouTube area. I got my perfumes and stuff right here. So yeah, this is just my YouTube area. Got my Alexa and everything. I've already decorated that. I may put more, may not. And then I got my closet area here. Got all my purses here, shoes, purses here. I got some shoes on the floor. Guys, now that is the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure if you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit your post notification bells, and I will see you guys in my next